today's workout is going to be 7 rounds. And in this 7 rounds, we'll be moving on a 2-minute clock. We're going to start off with a 200-meter run, followed by some max shoulder to overhead. Now, the special part about this workout is there is no rest in between the rounds. You heard me right. As soon as that 2 minutes is up, it's time to head back out the door for another 200-meter run. 200-meter run should be taking you less than a minute, and if it's not, let's go ahead and scale the run down to a 100-meter run. We can also use a bike erg. The distances will be detailed in the athlete notes of SugarWOD. Once you return from that 200-meter run, the time remaining in that 2 minutes will allow you to get as many shoulder to overhead reps as you can. We're going to go ahead and take this from the floor. And the weight today is on the heavier side. So I want you to choose something that challenges you to get somewhere around 5 to 7 reps. Okay, that's what we're looking for. All right, shoulder to overhead is going to be 175 for the men, 115 for the women. And again, you're going to have the time that's remaining in the 2 minutes after you've completed the 200-meter run. We're going to clean this bar to our shoulder, and then from here, we start to boogie. You can go ahead and strict press, push jerk, or even split jerk. You can do a combination of all of those, but just remember, when we get to this final position, we need to stand it up for the rep to count. In the first few rounds, you may need to slow down just a little bit. You might be a little excited. And I think once we start to get deeper into the rounds, it might settle out. Remember, as soon as that 2 minutes is up and you've done your last rep, you can either remember the number or write it down, but you're headed right back out for another run. So again, there's 0 rest. That's going to follow that 2-minute clock, okay? This workout's going to be challenging. You're going to have to grit your teeth and strategize from the beginning on these jerks, all right? This workout is fun, and I think you're going to really enjoy it, but it's going to take a lot of mental fortitude to push further and push faster on the runs than you may want to.